Yo, so I had to do something real quick. Well, I had to do a lot of stuff, but I'm picking the camera back up, man. It's gonna be Valentine's Day tomorrow. Today my mom's birthday, so I'll probably do something for her this weekend because her and my dad went out today. But it's Valentine's Day, man. So Ash said that she didn't even want nothing for Valentine's Day. She was like, man, don't buy me nothing for Valentine's Day. So I was like, alright. I don't never listen to this shit though. Like, I don't, like, you ain't finna tell me nothing to buy you nothing for Valentine's Day. You know what I'm saying? What's wrong with you? Like, you ain't finna tell me that and I'm gonna listen to it. So, cause I remember one time, she thought I didn't get something for Valentine's Day or I didn't get a whole lot for Valentine's Day, but she was mad about it. Well, that's the day, so. I was like, alright. Which I still got something. I just think, I don't even remember what the situation was. Maybe I got it and it didn't get here on time or something happened. But anyway, and she didn't know. But, anyway, so she said, don't get her nothing for Valentine's Day. So I got her something for Valentine's Day, but I didn't get no major stuff. I got something that's gonna mean something to her. You know what I'm saying? Got something that's gonna mean something to her. Like y'all gotta know y'all people, man. Like, know what they like and stuff like that, man. Because you might run clean over the car. You know what I'm saying? Just, man, my light's bright as shit. Anyway, just help me with my camera though. Then my windshield tinted, man. And you can see this my headlights through my windshield like this, like on my face. But anyway, so I got her something from the heart, man. I did something from the heart for Valentine's Day. So I got her a balloon. And I got this right here. Yeah, see that? I just sat right here in the car. I just sat right here in the car and did this right here. Happy Valentine's Day. And I put her favorite candy in that jump. I got her 2 bags of her favorite candy, which is the Smarties, man. So I'm gonna tie the balloon to the handle of the little bucket, man. And yeah. So I got some put this back here. Oh, I thought I broke the bucket. I was like, oh man, come on. So what I did it with, I got some those my light went off. What I did it with, I got the bucket. I got some sidewalk chalk, cause the little black part around is like a little chalkboard or something. So I got some sidewalk chalk, and I got these foam heart stickers. I got red, I got purple, I got silver. So that's what I did. So I think this right here will mean more to her than me going and spending money on stuff that's, you know what I'm saying, that she don't even really want for real. Y'all can see down there, it's 2 bags. 1 bag, it's another bag of Smarties. Got her favorite candy, man. So, yeah. Now I'm finna go to the house. I'm finna hide this like it's her birthday or something. Crazy. But, yeah. Probably get to it in the morning. Or leave it on the bed or something. For when I leave. Or leave it on the dresser or something. I'll leave it somewhere. I'll leave it somewhere she can see it. But I'll be gone though. I got our car too. So, yeah, man. Try to take care of the people that take care of you, man. You got somebody that act halfway decent, man. You know what I'm saying? Go on take care of her, man. I know she gonna appreciate that. I ain't looking for no Valentine's Day, cause I mean, dudes really don't. You know what I'm saying? Like, dudes really ain't getting up for Valentine's Day. I ain't really trying to get up for Valentine's Day. I mean, there's women that do it. She done got me something for Valentine's Day before, but like, I don't be expecting that shit. You know what I mean? So, yeah, about to shoot to the house, man. Cause I'm tired. Now I don't know why I came in Walmart, but I did, and whew, that ain't the place to be. That's not the place to be right now. Man, there's so many people in there. Yep, but headed to the house, man, so I'll hit y'all back. Okay, y'all. So I done made it to the house, man. Yeah. I done vented to y'all enough today. And y'all done seen how my day went. So, me and Mama Bear up in this joint, chilling out. Me and Mama Bear and Baby Bump chilling out. Probably finna watch us some TV, go to bed, I guess. Well, the Baby Bump ain't going to bed. Baby Bump been doing a whole bunch of bumping lately. When everybody else trying to sleep, Baby Bump be bumping. But, yeah. I guess I'm finna get in here, man, try to edit some more of these videos for y'all, man. So, y'all stay tuned for that. Go ahead and subscribe, man, if you haven't already. Also, check out the store, man. BeeloNationLLC.com. Yeah, just give me a little minute. I'm trying to figure this stuff out. I'm better to put the words and the subscribe and stuff back on the screen out the way. I'm just trying to figure all this out. But, yeah. Yo. Back, man. It's Valentine's Day. I done already put the I set the gift up in the bedroom on the dresser. It's early, man. It's 6 o'clock on the dot. I've been up since 5. That's normal though, for me to be up 5 o'clock. Yep, that's a normal occurrence. MayRose sitting over there. But yeah, it's early, man. Finna head on in to the workhouse. See what's happening. Hopefully I ain't got a whole lot to do today. So I can go on ahead and knock that little whatever out and get on back to the crib. Whatever. But yeah, we're just standing here killing time. Been this early in a while. But I'm trying to do better, man. I told y'all I'm trying to do better, trying to wake up earlier so I can get more done during the day. So, yeah, man. Head on to work. See what the day holds for me, man. Y'all ain't gonna be able to see me anyway, so yeah. Hit y'all in a minute, man.